my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I'm documenting my life in case I haven't told y'all that. I'm sharing it with y'all. So hi, welcome. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, girl. My name is Letitia Latifah. I'm 24 years old. I own an online nail boutique and I do nails. And yeah, I can't tell y'all too much. Not too much. Y'all gonna have to find out when y'all own. I just did my hair. I'm getting my life together. You know, I'm trying to look beautiful, feel beautiful, inside, outside. You know, be having a bitch smile, and that is my motivation right there. I'm joking. I'm not even like that. I look cute. Holy shit. Look, this how I know I'm beautiful, because I look cute and I ain't even wearing a bra. All I got on is moisturizer and some dirty ass glasses, a Christmas shirt. In September, I love myself no matter what condition I'm in. I feel like that's how everybody should be. Like, you should love yourself no matter what. You should know you the flyest bitch even if you ain't got no makeup on, no lashes, like, no swag outfit. You just need to love you at all time, and I do truly love me. Y'all, look at my plants. Girl, everything is free on earth. These are my tomatoes right here. This is garlic in here. This I've been trying to grow a root in for a minute. It's not really giving. These are chilies. I'm trying to grow a root on this, but I might have to cut it in half, honestly. This girl right here, she is so pretty. And these are my bell peppers. You can kind of see the roots coming in. Ugh, so cute. Yeah, I'm gonna see you guys tonight when I'm waxing. Ah! I have a wax appointment today.
Do you?
It's time. This is a lot better. Last time I didn't leave it on.
I know you didn't.
Yeah, that shit was like hurting as I was pulling it down. Ooh. I can't do it. I cannot wax myself. I do it too slow. And you know what way, right?
Not good that way.
Okay. Oh, shit! Dang. Somebody got that leg. Maybe I should do this leg first, because what if I run out and then I got more?
You got one shave leg. Shut your ass up. Yeah, I heard. Oh, we did, nigga. You did me last night. Look at that calf muscle.
You like that?
I'm talking about this shit on. Disgusting.
Damn!
Thanks.
I'll do that. I'll do that.
You gotta go, nigga.
I can't do that. I can't do that. Why you gotta rub it? Like, don't stop rubbing my leg. Hurry, I'm getting a cramp in my hip. Oh, thank you. Maybe we should just put a chair right there. The results. I just came in here really quick to grab my camera. This is my baby Oreo right here. He kind of deaf. This is the only cat I know you can sneak up on. I just came over here to get my camera and my glasses. I'm about to go do my hair in the living room. Hey, see you, partner. So as you can tell, I went ahead and I did my hair, and it was just something I had to do off camera because I didn't know what I was doing, and I've never cornrowed a day in my life. I do everything else but a cornrow and a wig. So I really had to focus on that. And I crocheted this hair in. I just don't know what's going on in the back of my head because I don't have eyes in the back of my head. And I gotta add some hair up here too. I feel like I have to put hair down here because if not, it just kind of looks like, oh, I did extensions or whatever. It don't look natural if it's missing right here. Oh my god, I look bloated. I think I look so cute. I love myself, honestly. Anyways, I'm about to put on some bullshit on Netflix while I do my hair for the next few goddamn hours. Normally, I just put on something from Trending Now that I normally wouldn't give a chance just because I know I'm gonna be in a chair all day long. And 9 times out of 10, it's actually like a good show. I just don't be good. Oh, and this is German, so I will give this. I'm telling you, just put on some shit from Trending Now. I got the number from an African coworker, and she said she do hair, right? So I asked her for straight basic cornrows, just like straight back cornrows, you know, because I was gonna crochet over it anyways. She said 50 euros. I don't know. For me, it's just like, why would I pay 50 euros? And then, you know, I still gotta go home. I still gotta do the work. And then, you know what, just for reference, I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna show you all the picture that I showed her. This is the picture that I showed her. It don't get more basic than that, you know what I'm saying? It don't get more basic than that. So I went ahead and I crocheted top of my head, and I don't know why I didn't know how to loop earlier because that was really like the fastest way of doing it. So I just double looped it, if that makes sense, without tying it.
Travis Walker. Thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to get the distractions up off you. For enough time to jot your thoughts before.
I wish I could crochet more down here to fill it up. I like it. I really should get a beanie. I would look so cute in a beanie. I stop talking now because I'm hungry. I need to find something to eat and I need to figure out what I'm gonna do next. I think maybe I'll do my lashes next or I'll do my nails next. Options. Y'all, really quick, I found this piano, like somebody had put it outside of their crib, and it came with this chair too that you can open, and it came with music from like the 80s. There's stuff in here from the 70s. We carried this all the way up the street at like 10 p.m. It was like, well, before we carry it up the stairs, we gotta see if it even works. So we was like all quiet. It was like, we just gonna connect it to the neighbor's electricity to see if it worked. And it worked. We was like, yeah. And so then we carried it upstairs. Man, that bitch was heavy. Next day my hands was swollen. But yeah, it's such a beautiful piece. I just changed. I put on this little white cute fit or whatever. I'm about to do my makeup really quick. And then I'm gonna do my nails. So yeah. Come get cute with me.
Live with it. I'm a Jackie, yo. I'm gorgeous. With a white girl. She like my avatar. Before I put it in, I smack her ass. On the way that we get into some shit.
Do y'all remember when ASAP let this white girl say nigga in this music video?
I can't see you fuck nigga. Bitch. I ain't know the president live in DC. And I ain't know they call me Nikki Lewinsky.
So I noticed that I really don't feel like doing my nails. I've been procrastinating it the whole time. So I know I just don't want to sit there and do 10 French tips. I'm sorry, just not today. The thing that I really wanted to do was kind of like a royal blue. Blue is my favorite color. I knew something was on my face. What the hell is on my face? Something in my nose piercing? The hell? By the way, I get these nose piercings off of AliExpress, but you just gonna have to take the time for yourself to see which ones are good quality and which ones aren't, because even if they're from the same vendor, sometimes they're still ass. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do like some blue royal nails, and I actually think I'm gonna bring my nail stuff in here rather than going to my studio because it's just so sunny and beautiful here. Like, this side of the crib always gets sunlight, and that side of the crib where my studio is never gets any sunlight. And even though it'd probably be easier to do it in there, but yeah, I'm not doing that. I'm doing it in here. I'm excited.
Jasmine, is there anyone that we can call?
These are how my nails turned out, and they're so cute. I love this color. I'm so glad I went with a solid color because even after doing these, I'm tired. So I know if I would have sat there and I would have did French tip, I would have been so over the entire day. Oh, so cute.